Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is another video that I am doing, part of our Disney Cruise Experience 2023. This stop was in San Juan, Puerto Rico. This would be our second time in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We was here a couple of years ago when we took a Carnival cruise. During that Carnival cruise, we explored the town. So the second time around, I wanted to do something a little different. Wanted to be a little adventurous. So I ended up booking an excursion through Aqua Adventures. I believe that you can find them on Viator, or you can just click into Puerto Rican excursions, or just type in Aqua Adventures San Juan, Puerto Rico, and they have different excursions that you can do, including scuba diving, snorkeling, and then what we picked was sea trek. I wanted to do something really adventurous. I do not swim. I can't swim, but I wanted to do something underwater, so I thought that this would be a cool excursion to do. So we had lots of fun. Me, my husband, and my oldest. Unfortunately, my youngest was unable to do it because the helmet size is very heavy, and it's at least 60 pounds, and my daughter is like 70, so the helmet was just a little too heavy for her to carry. So unfortunately, she missed out on that experience, but at the same time, she was still able to have a good experience because they do give you like a special private part on a beach. The company is located within a resort hotel, which is a really nice hotel. You go through the lobby and then you go out to this private area on the beach where the hotel has that section of the beach reserved for its guests. But also the company have another little section that is reserved for their people that are doing the excursions. So we actually had like, I want to say about 2.5 hours of just beach time to ourselves. Not really hardly anyone on the beach except for the people that are doing the excursions. And it wasn't really busy. So we actually had like a nice, quiet beach relaxation before our excursion. So, but everything, first my husband and my daughter went, and then me and my husband went on the excursion, and it was pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. And again, I do not know how to swim. I am scared of water. So I'm just saying, if you're like me, you want to book this type of excursion, you will not regret it. I say that it is a 10 out of a 10. And even if you can swim, you still will love this type of excursion. It was really, really fun just being able to walk on the ocean floor and let the fish just swim by you. So really enjoyed this. And the excursion took about, I want to say like an hour to an hour and a half. So you do get a good amount of time to walk on the ocean floor and view the fish. They also take pictures that you can purchase, but we had our own underwater camera, so we just used that to save us a couple of dollars since we already had our own camera. So this is the footage that we got from being under the water and looking at the fish. And also you feed the fish so that the fish can come to you. So again, this was a very nice experience, and I would definitely do it again. Well, that is all that I have for this video. So just let you guys just continue to view the rest of the video. And if you have any questions, then feel free to just message me or leave a comment, and I will reply back to that comment. But other than that, you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will be bringing out more videos from our Disney cruise vacation. Goodbye.